Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be making shrimp scampi. Yes, shrimp scampi. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I washed my shrimp with vinegar and now we are straining the excess water off. Next, we will be pat drying the shrimps to eliminate the excess water when frying. I did season my shrimp off camera, but I will list my seasoning in the description below. To make the shrimp scampi as delicious as it is, we will be dicing some garlic in small pieces. Make sure that the oil is really hot before we place our shrimps in. shrimps, we are gonna take some butter and place it in the pot. We're then gonna add the chopped garlics. Next, we're gonna add the heavy whipping cream, and with that, we're gonna season the pot with rotisserie chicken season and thyme leaf. That's what gave my shrimp that nice flavor. And then we want to make sure that the heat is very low. Then we're gonna add our shrimp, and that is how I make my shrimp scampi. Guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye for now.